Hi, here's another example, another problem from section 1.3 in the calculus, Larson's calculus book. This is number 75. It wasn't assigned originally, but you probably ought to take a look at it because it's definitely a test question. So if you're going to try to find the limit here of a trig function, we saw today that the limit as x approaches 0 of sine x over x equals 1. But this is not exactly the same as that. If this were 3t over 3t, then we could use this theorem to figure out what the limit is. But this is 3t over 2t, so it's the sine of 3t over 2t. So it's not exactly like this, so it doesn't quite fit into that. So what you're going to have to do is somehow you're going to have to get a 3t down here in the denominator. Remember, you can't bring this 3t out or anything like that. This 3t is stuck there. The 3 and the t are stuck together because the sign is of both of those. So you can't move that 3, but you can do something about that 2 in the denominator. So what you want to do here is you want to multiply by something that's going to cancel that 2 and make it into a 3. So if I multiply the denominator by 3 over 2, the 2's will cancel, I'll end up with a 3. I can do that as long as I multiply the numerator by 3 over 2. So I multiply numerator and denominator by 3 over 2. And I'll pause there and let you, pause the video and see if you can figure it out from that point on your own. If not, stick around and we'll do it together. Okay, so let's say, so what we have, we multiply by 3 over 2 over 3 over 2. So now what we've got is the 2's cancel here, so I have a 3 halves sine of 3t over 3t. And I'm taking the limit as t approaches 0 of that. And when you take the limit of a number times a function, you can take the number outside the limit. So this is equivalent to 3 halves the limit as t approaches 0 of sine of 3t over 3t. And now we can just do a change of variable and say, let's just make 3t equal to u or something like that. So this is the same as 3 halves times the limit as u approaches 0, let's say, of sine of u over u. And this is going to equal 1. The limit as u approaches 0, sine u over u is going to equal 1. So 3 halves times 1 will just be 3 halves. So the limit there will be 3 halves.